All right, hey guys, welcome in. Today we are doing the Grinch step by step here. It's been quite a while since I've drawn the Grinch, so
I thought I had a new video on my channel. So this one we'll start out in the middle of the paper, probably about the size of your hand.
definitely starting off with some simple shapes and ideas. I put a little dot kind of at the top, sides, and bottom down here just to kind of get an idea for how big this is going to be. A line that goes kind of up towards that top, and then this one kind of wiggles down, and as another piece that makes it go a little bit thinner as his winter Santa hat. And under that, there's a little bit of a line on this side.
And then really it's almost like some bumps or some cloud kind of shapes. One side over to the other.
Go through that a little bit darker now. On one side of the face, kind of has a curved line that goes down right about here. A poof ball on the top of his hat. Again, kind of like a cloud kind of sense. Okay, that looks nice. And then, like I said, kind of keep in mind that that kind of jawline will extend out from that bottom. Can kind of go over to here. And then this side also can go over to here. A little bit wider than this part over here, but it kind of goes back and forth on each. So with that lightly, as I'm gonna do, I've never done that before. Before you get a little bit more comfortable with it, then you can go over that darker. My favorite part, his smile. Kind of goes down and then up and over, and then curls, kind of follows side of it. Little curves to get his infamous grin, I would say. Over that a little bit darker now. Middle kind of curves up over to one side. You know, a little bit higher. He's kind of frowning in here, and same thing on the opposite side. So you kind of know that that's already starting. And then his nose is right scrunched in the middle. It's kind of a interesting kind of nose shape. It's got that kind of bump on the top, bump on the outsides, as I usually do noses, and then it kind of follows as it goes down and up, down and up. Eyebrows really get pretty close to down here, so as they arch down and then
they kind of follow up. There's a couple little stems and flares from there. Obviously the more details that you add, the more realistic that it will start to look.
Like the actual Grinch, like a W in that middle. So it kind of goes up, down, and then up again. This one stretches out also. In that little pocket, you can try to fit as best as you can his kind of Grinch eyes in there. Round on one side, round on the other. But it has, yeah, it has like a little bump on the bottom side. Same thing on the other side. Starting to look good. I think what'll really make it look like the Grinch is once you
put the eyeballs in the middle, that pupil right in the middle of it, and then kind of fill that in darker.
Same thing on the other side. All right, there, just like that, he's starting to look like him. I'm gonna go over this a little bit darker at certain parts and then start thinking about how I'm gonna outline it, not only with Sharpie, but what I'm gonna think about for the background. So let's go over that real quick. Nice, that looks really, really good now. Now it's like my coloring sheet and I can color it with whatever or however that I want. So let's take my green highlighter and see if we can turn that into something else green, just like, all right, ready, boom. Here he is. I even had to borrow my daughter's little plushie of the Grinch. Well, I had a whole bunch of fun with the background and the details and designing it all around using lots of different tools and supplies to try to get some of those greens in there and just to have some fun with the background.
Actually taking inspiration from the old book that I remember and doing the background.
So hopefully you guys had some fun with this. As always, I am Mr. Shooty. This is Mr. Shooty's Art Channel. We'll talk to you guys later.